And a nice video here on the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. There's the Brembo brakes that you can see there through the nice rims that this Trackhawk has on it. Let's try to get in. Oop, door's locked. Well, for $101,000, I guess you would lock the door too. But let's look on the outside of this baby for a second here. And like I said, this one, $101,000, but you can't buy it. It's already sold. On its way to Texas to a buyer. And here's the inside here. Let's look at this interior. Beautiful leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated and ventilated seats, of course. The leather-wrapped shifter there. Napa leather seats with the Trackhawk logo emblazoned into those Napa leather seats. Really a luxury SUV there. There's a little bit of the carbon fiber that goes across the front of the dash here. And in a second, we'll show you the door. And look how that is inlaid into the door. It's really sharp there. Carbon fiber on the interior of this 2021 Trackhawk with the 707 horsepower Hemi engine. Wow, that's a lot of power going down the street. And just the flagship of the Jeep brand here. Let's take a look at the Hemi engine, talking about that. Looking over top of it here. Going to zoom in just a second. There it is, the Hemi, producing a lot of horsepower in this. Look at the serpentine belt. It's probably double the length of most serpentine belts. SRT, crank out the horsepower in this luxury, fast flagship Jeep here for 2021. I didn't think we'd be able to sell this as fast as it was sold, but it didn't last long. Let's just say somebody from Texas got word that we had it and bought it right away. There's the LiDAR sensor there for the lane assist and the adaptive cruise control. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care.